Here's how to download music from YouTube on your iPhone. Now, if you have the YouTube app open, let's hop out of there. Unfortunately, you can't do it in the YouTube app, but you can do it in a web browser. Safari, Google Chrome, works the exact same. Now from here, let's open up the YouTube website, but it will default to the mobile-based version. We need to switch over to the desktop-based version. To be able to do that, we're going to tap on those square with the lines at the bottom left and hit Request Desktop Website. And now from here, we'll be able to access YouTube Studio to find and download all of those songs. There's two different ways to be able to do that. You can tap on the profile at the top right and then hit YouTube Studio. Or if you wanted to go directly there, you can just type in studio.youtube.com and it will take you directly to your YouTube Studio. Keep in mind, everybody has this as long as you have a YouTube account or a YouTube channel, it works the same. Now from here, we're gonna pinch in and tap on the music icon and you'll be able to see it starts to load all of these songs. And the cool thing is I can go through this entire list. I can tap on the filter icon if I want to filter, or I can search for various tracks. And if I like one, I can hit the play button and start listening to it and see if I like it. Now, after you've identified the song that you want to download, after you tap on the song, you'll be able to see if I zoom out and then zoom back in towards the right, there is that download button. Let's just tap on that and I'll show you where it goes. Tap on download here. And now from here, it usually defaults to downloading into the Files app on your iPhone. So let's hop out of here and search for the Files app and open it up. Usually it defaults to on my iPhone. If you don't see that, you can tap on the back arrows at the top left. And now from here, we're going to tap on my iPhone and downloads. And there it is. There is that song that I just downloaded from YouTube. From here, I can upload it to my ringtone. I can use it for a video that I want to upload to YouTube. I have a bunch of different options.